guys, so I wanted to include this clip in. I mean, bad on my side that I actually recorded the video of me putting this together like 4 months ago. So that means it took like 4 months, 4 to 5 months for me to just put the video out. But fortunately, I'm able to put this clip in like as an update to see how it held out. And so just to give an honest review, so now you got a 2-in-1. Let me come a little closer. As you can see, it's still standing. I just want to show you guys this. You see it's a slightly wobbly, and so I do find myself having to like tighten it from time to time, but the quality is still pretty good. My baby doesn't like wreck things, you know. He's not all that gentle, but he just comes here and pulls out the drawer and takes his toys out. He would pull all the stuff off the shelf and I'd have to fix them daily. But other than that, it's been holding up pretty well. You see, toys are in there, and so yeah, it's still holding up pretty well. Like I said, it's still a little wobbly, so I'm gonna have to literally try to like go in and tighten it up a bit, but it's never fallen down or can't come apart or anything like that. So I would still give this, if I had to give it out of 5 stars, I would honestly still give it, I would give it like 4.5. I give it 4.5 stars. The half is just because I have to keep on screwing this, but other than that, I don't think I would still recommend persons buy it. You know what I mean? I don't think I would say don't get it, because it's really convenient. This looks really cute. It's easy for him to get his toys, and I absolutely love it. And so yeah, 4.5 stars. Like I said, half a point off just because I have to keep on tightening this up. But see, even doing that is still pretty sturdy. So that's my mini review of this product. It was easy to put together, and I absolutely love it 4 months later. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. If you have subscribed, if you haven't subscribed just yet, please hit the subscribe button and click the like button so I know that you like when I actually show you guys how to assemble certain things and when I give reviews. Maybe I'll start doing that more often whenever I get certain things from Amazon. So again, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.